The Government of India has taken several measures to enhance research and development in defence manufacturing through several initiatives. DRDO has implemented the DCPP or Development Cum Production Partner model to identify potential manufacturing agency through competitive process involving both public and private sector. DRDO has also developed a pool of 2,000 industries to manufacture systems and equipment. Additionally, 25% of the defence R&D budget has been opened up for industries, startups and academia based on budget 2022-23 announcements. The policy for free area of DRDO patents by Indian industries has been implemented, while 25% of defence R&D budget has also been opened up for industries, startups and academia based on this 2022-23 announcement. Major General Kochar, what do you make of this announcement that is coming in? We are seeing the DCPP or the Development Cum Production Partner model, which is there to identify potential manufacturing agencies. We are also seeing this increase of 25% of the defence R&D budget to be opened up for industry, for startups and academia, sir.
I think, Shivani, it's a wonderful news you're giving in, because this was required, and we have been projecting this for a number of years now, that the DRDO must open out to the private sector, because what we were expecting the DRDO for technology was taking a very long time, because the DRDO processes are extremely long and take time to fructify, and we don't have that much of time now because of the threat perceptions on the border. So I think this is a very welcome step, and the two important things which you mentioned. First is this partnership, private partnership, startups and all, and 200 areas have been identified, or 200 agencies have been identified. Second important aspect is the budget, because we have been projecting since long, and if you see the total R&D budget in terms of defense is only 0.6% of the GDP. So it is too less. So I think there is a case now when we look at the next budget coming in, the budget for R&D needs to increase, because unless you increase the budget of R&D, you will not be able to develop homegrown technology, because today we are looking for technology to countries like France, South Korea, United States, Russia, and things like that. And Putin is coming here, and there is technology on the agenda also with the Putin. So I think this is a very, very important step. It will give encouragement to the startups, because we have the IDEX also in place, innovation and defense fund is there, and technology fund is also there as part of the government. So there are various funding which have been kept for these kind of measures, and I am sure the Army Design Bureau, which is closely coordinating our coordination with the startups, with the private sector, would be monitoring these things, because all problem statements are there on the Army Design Bureau.
Right.
And it's a wonderful opportunity, and it's very, very heartening to actually hear about this.
All right. Thank you so much, Major General Kochar, for all those perspectives. I would like to go across to my colleague Ajay Jandyal, who's also live with us. Ajay, when we are talking about this initiative, could you give us some details by the DRDO, this DPCC and the additional 25% investment that has been put out for startups?
See, it is going to be, very benefited by the agencies, those who are doing R&D, and this R&D, and especially for the DRDO, because what was happening in the past, that most of the product which is required for any product, any gadget they were developing, that was made by the only few agencies, with few manufacturers, which was associated with the DRDO or the government. But now when this is open for some other as well, that is going to definitely enhance the development, manufacturing and other sector, and definitely this is also going to boost the employment as well.
Absolutely.
And when the local production will increase, that is going to benefit the economy of the country as well, because we know that if we talk about the defense
Right,
sector,
right,
every